how to make a DIY pegboard for your tools. I'll show you a quick video here of a time lapse. I've put up a couple of pieces of wood onto my garage wall. I'm using a few different types of screws and wood pieces to get my goal. So you can see having a little wood attached to a couple of blocks allows you to hang off your pliers and knives and things. So it's basically the case of adding on some woods and having some holes in the woods to add screwdrivers. Use a couple of nails or screws and you can hang up your axe, your hammers, your screwdrivers and so on. So it's not too difficult. Just have a look at what you've got, and a lot of these tools I've had for a long time, so I don't really need to change them about. But if you need to change anything about, you can unscrew the screw and make a new hole and put some more tools up. And the clamps, I'm adding a little wood again and then clamp on the extra clamps. So that is how to do a peg quick DIY jobby. See you on the next video.